Welcome to the Flavor Breakdown, the place where food science gets explained simply. Microwaves heat food fast, but they also destroy crispiness in seconds. Why does everything turn soggy? Today we're breaking down the science of microwave texture, how water molecules, steam, and surface structure interact, and why the microwave's heating method almost guarantees sogginess in once crispy foods. When you microwave leftovers, the outside often turns soft or damp. Bread gets chewy, fries turn limp, and anything with a crust becomes soggy instead of crisp. It feels like the microwave is undoing all the texture you worked for. Because in a way, it is. Microwaves heat food by exciting water molecules. That rapid vibration creates steam inside the food. As the steam builds, it moves outward, and instead of escaping, it gets trapped on the surface. When the steam hits that layer, it rehydrates it. The crust softens, the structure collapses, and the crispiness disappears. Microwaves also heat unevenly. Some spots get very hot, producing even more steam, while cooler spots stay damp. If you want to keep things crisp, you need dry heat, like an oven or air fryer. They evaporate moisture instead of trapping it, so the surface stays crunchy. Microwave-safe crisping sleeves, like the ones used for frozen burritos, work by converting microwave energy into radiant heat. That extra dry heat helps rebuild the crispy layer that the microwave usually destroys. Like and subscribe for more food explained simply on The Flavor Breakdown.